Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create commanded, recommended chart in Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document. Then from the data, the text. This text is the from the create recommended chart. Firstly, select your all text and data. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the recommended chart option. Then insert chart. Now for a click. Now okay. That's okay. Then we show the chart from the recommended from caret. Then insert color. Then that's okay. Now click for the chart title option. That's okay. Then we show the caret formula recommended chart in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.